Wonderful job. I know learning how to read, especially a new language, can be difficult, but if you put everything in place that I have provided you with, I can assure you that you will get a hang of this. The workbook is there for you. That's why it is called your own personal workbook. Take advantage of it, reread it, study it. There are a list of words there in different sections and different categories. Every night, take a section and go over it top to bottom. Use the videos to go back and double check your work or refresh your memory on things. I purposely have added a list of words for you to practice reading. And the reason I chose this list of words are because these are words, not all of them, but a lot of them, that we had already seen in this course. So, take a look at it, read the words, and use the images that are right next to the words to help you know what the word is. For example, if the word is mouton, okay, you will see a picture of a sheep. What do you think mouton means? Sheep, okay? And then you can practice breaking it down into syllables. I always encourage you to try it out on your own before looking at the answer key so that you can see your mistakes and you can learn from them. After all, that is how we learn best, from our own mistakes. Thank you so much, and we will see you in the next section.